Wait, so I know you're probably like, how do you manifest early? I want to manifest before 2021, don't you? I'm going to teach you today some tips and tricks that I've learned of one, how to think the right way and how to think and grow rich so that you can manifest what you want in 2021. I'm also going to teach you how to manifest quickly, like really fast, like 5 minutes, for real. The notes are right here. Stay until the end of this video. Let's get into it right now. Welcome to a new video. My name is Tyson and this is Owning Purpose, helping young people discover their gift and own their purpose in life. And today, we're talking about manifesting what you want in 2021. Listen, this is the week of Christmas, so first of all, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. But I know that you're wanting that gift. I know you want that car. I know you are dreaming about that new apartment. I know you're maybe dreaming about getting a new phone, okay? Maybe you want some extra income for Christmas. I don't know what you want for the new year, for the holidays, for Christmas time, but I'm gonna teach you some tips that I've learned from the very great Think and Grow Rich book, and some tips that I have personally embedded myself to know how to manifest quicker, okay, at a faster pace. So the first thing is that I want you to understand that you have to create a burning desire for anything that you want, okay? So just like in this example, you can see someone who is working hard or has a team at a job that's working hard. They are creating or wanting to desire something that is extremely, high, maybe as far as a goal. Maybe they're just really determined. Maybe they just want to manifest something. And people forget about creating a desire for their life. Now, what does that mean, okay? Or creating a desire means that no matter what, you really want this thing, okay? So it doesn't matter what it is. It could be a hat, it could be a car, it could be some money, it can be a new place. You are researching, you are figuring out any type of way of how you can manifest what it is that you want in your life. So creating a desire is something that we all must do. We all must create what I call and what Napoleon Hill calls a burning desire, something that is deep down rooted inside of that you have to learn to create every single day. You have to learn to have that burning desire. Right? There's people out here today, guys, just disturbing my notes. Okay, and then the second thing is you have to become it. I want to read this to you real quick. And when it talks about money, right? If you're the type of person that you want to manifest money, I want you to think about this right now. Money consciousness, okay, which is described in the Think and Grow Rich book. Money consciousness, which means that the mind has become so thoroughly saturated with the desire for money, meaning that you really want money, okay? You really desire that you are going to manifest this into your life. Thoroughly saturated with desire of money, that one can see itself already possessing that money, okay? So when you think about, a lot of people I want to manifest money fast, right? You have to have a desire. You have to really think, what is it that you want? No matter how much it takes, no matter how much research, how much of that desire do you want? How bad do you really desire that, okay? Are you guys desiring something this holiday season? Drop a comment down below if you are desiring something this holiday season, okay? Or just maybe for 2021. So the second principle that I want you guys to understand from this book is to fix your mind on exactly how much you desire. How much of that one thing do you desire? If it's money, how much money do you desire, okay? Number two is then determine exactly what your mind is to give in return of that gift, okay? Now, for these examples, it talks about money, but if you want, a friendship or a lover or, you want to raise at your job, what are you going to give back? Because remember, the universal law to manifest is what you give, right? You also have to receive. If you want to receive, you give. It's the same thing. It's interchangeable, right? So if I give something to someone, I receive something back. Right? If I go to the store and I put my card to go and get gas or something, right? I receive back a receipt. Or I go into the cashier or into the little convenience store and I receive a receipt, correct? So if you want to manifest in 2021, you need to be clear about what it is that you desire, okay? The second thing that you want to do is you want to fix your mind on something that you really want, okay? Be very clear, okay? Third thing you want to do is you want to really sit with yourself and say, how can I give back, right? If I give someone something and they give me something in return, how can I give myself back in return? Not necessarily in money or gifts. Now, the fourth thing that you want to pay attention to is you want to really visualize, okay? When you're talking about manifesting and thinking and growing rich, all right? So when you visualize something, don't think about it too hard, okay? Just picture it in your mind or see a video in your mind of you getting exactly what you want. So let's say you want a check for a certain amount of money. Maybe you want a check for $400, right? Maybe you want this check so that you can go on a trip, right? And you know you've been working at your job for a while. You've been putting in the hours the last couple of weeks, and you're just like, all I desire is these $400. Well, I want you to close your eyes and start visualizing those $400. I want you to start seeing those $400 right now as it coming into your life. So you're already seeing these $400 manifesting. You're seeing yourself opening up the envelope. You're seeing the color of what the check looks like. You're seeing the $800 or whatever it is that you want, $400, $500, $1,000, $20,000 being written on this check by someone, or you're getting it received to you. Visualization is very simple. It's literally using your imagination. And some people who think about the law of attraction or think about manifestation, they think that, oh, visualizing is so hard. Well, we visualize every day, right? So if you have a bill and you're constantly worrying about that bill, oh, it's gonna come into the mail, oh, I'm gonna struggle, oh, da 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 da. Your imagination and you're visualizing the fact that it's gonna go bad. So the same way that you're nervous about a test or an exam that you're gonna fail it or it's gonna go bad for you, you're visualizing bad things. So let's turn that into negative. Let's turn that into positive. No, let's turn that into a positive thing, right? Visualizing the good things. So think about the things that you want. Really focus on and visualize that. And the last thing that I will talk about, which I think is so important, is learning to let go of expectations, okay? Realizing that when it comes to manifestation, we need to remember that we are the creators of our own life, okay? Because we're the creators of our own life, we already have what it is that we desire. Now you might say, Tyson, that's a bunch of Looney Tunes. How do I already have this? It's called faith. It's called believing in yourself enough to know that you are worthy of desiring exactly what it is that you want in your life, okay? And I don't even use the word want, I use the word desire. Because when you use words like, I want this, I hope that this happens, I don't know, oh, it would have been nice, I wish that. All of those things are saying you already don't have it. So when it comes down to faith, a lot of people who, maybe you grew up in church and you heard the word faith a lot, right? Have faith, but no one really tells you what it is. Well, let me tell you something. Faith and fear are the same. They're both believing in something that you cannot even see. It hasn't even come into your reality yet. So if you want to choose something, choose faith. Have faith in yourself. Believe in yourself. It's normal to have doubt, right? But if I say today that I speak into existence that $400 are coming into my life today, I am manifesting, I'm meditating on $400 today. And I believe that I am capable and worthy of receiving these $400 today. It is mine and I claim it. Now I let it go, okay? But have faith in what it is that you're asking for. But also, bonus tip, detach from it. Detach from the need of having to manifest what it is that you want right now. And what I mean by detach is understand and say this. Even if I don't receive this, I'm gonna be okay. Even if it doesn't happen for me, I'm gonna be all right. I'm not gonna be upset or throw a fit, because when you think about, hey, the fact that when you're manifesting, you don't actually need this. Understanding that everything that you have right now, you're actually grateful for what you have right now. So even when this manifestation comes, it's actually an extra blessing. So I think when you think about, okay, how do I want to do this? How do I want to manifest in 2021? What is it that I want to do to manifest? Well, one, you got to be grateful. That's the top thing. The main bonus that I will give you for this video, if you want to learn to think and grow rich, is to be grateful for what you already have. So many people want more and more and more in this life. Want more money, want more clothes. You're not even grateful for the clothes that you have on today, the clothes that I have on today. And so the most important thing is to show gratitude every single chance that you get. Show gratitude every day. Be thankful. Be grateful that you have everything that you need at your hands right now. You don't need anything more. That is how you manifest in 2021. That is, if you want to manifest in 2021 and think and grow rich in 2021, the secret to thinking and growing rich is to be grateful for what you already have. Have a desire, visualize it, focus on it, believe and have faith that it's already yours, all right? But then detach. and understand that you don't need it, okay? You're happy and you have everything that it is that you need right now. Just be grateful for the roof over your head, the small things. When you're grateful for small things, that's when bigger blessings come. All right, hope you got some value out of this video today. If you did, make sure you smash that big old like button because it helps my channel, okay? It helps the Owning Purpose family to continue to help people to understand what their gift is, to understand what their purpose is, and how to manifest everything that you want in 2021 and the secret to thinking and growing rich. Hello, I know you want to be rich. I know you want to think like a rich person, okay? I know you want to manifest, all right? And if you want to manifest, okay, especially in your gift, I want you to go ahead and go down below in the description box or the first comment that's pinned at the top where I have my brand new free ebook that is called The Start to Discovering Your Own Purpose. Now, this book is designed for those who have no clue what their purpose is. You're struggling, like I'm struggling with my throat right now. You're struggling to find out what your purpose is, what your gift is in life. Maybe you've always you're really good at something. You're naturally just good. Everyone said that you're talented and they've said it's your gift and you're so wise and great at it, but maybe you don't know how to turn that into happiness or turn that into maybe a part-time profit possession for you, right? You want to make money from your gift, you want to make money from your purpose. I'm just starting out, but I want you to get that free ebook if you don't know what your purpose is. If you're struggling to find out what your gift is, please make sure you get the free ebook. And here's why I want you to get the free ebook. This is the big surprise, okay? Get the free ebook because it's good for you. But I'm coming out with an anxiety and overthinking course in 2021. And if you get that ebook, you will be on my email list and you will be one of the first people to know when this course is coming out. Yes, I treat my email list like my baby. Everyone on my email list knows what's coming out first. So make sure you get the free ebook today, all right? Make sure you check out these last 2 videos. If you want to email me, all of my information, all of it, all my information is down below in the description box. You can check out my LinkedIn or my Linktree where all of my information is there, all of my resources is there, as well as my website, my Instagram, and all those other things. But make sure you get the free ebook today, The Start to Discovering Your Purpose, so you can start discovering your gift today, okay? Check out these last couple videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you really love this type of content. I post videos every single Friday and Saturday at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Zone, okay? Keep manifesting, have a happy holiday, and be blessed and continue to be safe, okay? Make sure you get your ebook today. It's right down below in the comments, pinned with the first link, okay? See you guys.